Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends. The man ate an extravagant meal at a fancy restaurant. This classy sentence uses three of some of the most commonly used words: the, a, and an. However, there is more to these words than simply the number of times we use them. If you want to become a grammar expert, it's really important to know how to use article, because how often they show in our sentences. These three words belong to a class of words known as articles. What are articles? Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Basically, an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. Articles can also modify anything that acts as a noun, such as a pronoun or a noun phrase. English has two articles, the and an. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article and a or an the indefinite article. For example, if I say, let's read the book, I mean a specific book. If I say, let's read a book, I mean any book rather than a specific book. Here is another way to explain it. Definite article the is used to refer to a specific or particular member of a group. For example, I just saw the most popular movie of the year. In this example sentence, it is telling there are many movies, but one particular movie is the most popular movie. Therefore, we use the. Indefinite article a or an signal that the noun modified is indefinite, referring to any member of a group. For example, I would like to go see a movie. In this example sentence, we are not talking about a specific movie, we are talking about any movie. Look at the given sentence. What is the correct or incorrect way of writing sentence? I have toy, it is incorrect way. I have a toy, it is correct. She opened door, it is incorrect way. She opened the door, it is correct way. If you like my video, like, subscribe and share.